Hello students, I hope you all are fine. But with your performance, I am not fine. What you people are doing, I don't know. We teachers are sending you videos, but you people are not watching. Only a very small number of people or small number of students are watching the videos. There are more than 100 students in the class, but only 30, 40, around 50 students are watching the video. Rest others, I don't know where they are. Do you want that we will continue with your studies? If you want, then please start watching the video. Otherwise, I don't know what will happen. We are not going to repeat. I'm telling you, I'm not going to repeat any chapter now. Some students are asking notes that we have done before the vacations. Some students are asking notes now. I don't know how they have done the paper in the PL1. So be serious about your studies and start watching the videos of every subject. We teachers are taking a lot of pain for you people, and you people are not giving regard for that. So be serious about your studies and start watching the videos. And today what we are going to do, we are going to discuss about the voters list. We are going to discuss about the voters list. In the last videos we have discussed about why do we need election, what makes an election democratic, and reserved constituency, and why do we need election. So many things we have discussed. And now in this video we are going to continue with the topic, that is voters list. As it is clear by the name, the voters list. Voters list means the list of the voters. Voters list means the list of the voters. Right. So what is there? Constituencies are decided. Constituencies are decided. As I told you, so this is India, and India is divided into 543 constituencies for the Lok Sabha. And Haryana, suppose Haryana, this is Haryana. Haryana is divided into 90 constituencies for state assembly election. This is for Lok Sabha, this is for state assembly election. 543 seats for the Lok Sabha and 90 seats of Haryana for the state assembly election. Constituencies are declared. Then who can vote? Who can vote? Now in school classes are divided. Classes are divided 10th A, 10th B, 10th C, 9th A, 9th B, 9th C, 8th A, 8th B, 8th C. These are different constituencies, and different students are there in different classes. In 9th C, you people are there, or 9th A, you students are there, 9th B, you students are there. So you are there, you are the eligible candidates. You are the eligible candidates to choose your monitor, to choose your leader or choose your monitor. So what is there? You who can vote? You people can vote. You people can vote. Who has taken admission in our school? For example, those who are living, those who are in 9th C section or those who are in 9th B section, 9th B section students, they can cast vote for 9th B, and 9th C student, they can cast vote for 9th C only. They cannot cast vote, 9th C student can't cast vote for 9th C, or 9th B student can't cast vote for 9th A or 9th C. Right. So what is their electoral roll and voter list? We can say voter list as the electoral roll. We can say voter list as electoral roll. List of eligible voters means you are eligible. If you are eligible, then you are having the right to vote. How you are eligible? Because in India, what is their universal adult franchise? What is their universal adult franchise? Every person with the age of 18, irrespective of age, gender, caste, color, creed, irrespective of all these things, the person with the age of 18 with sound mind is having the right to vote. is having the right to vote. See, based on the principle of universal adult franchise, electoral roll or electoral voting list, voters list is based on the universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise, one person, one value and one vote. One person, one vote and one value. And every person with the age of 18 and above 18 is having the right to vote. Some person are there, those who can be denied. Some person are there, those who can be denied from the voting right. Who are these persons? These persons are some criminals. Some criminal, those who are criminals. Criminals means their crime has been proved. Their crime has been proved. And criminal and person with unsound mind. Unsound mind means those who are not mentally stable. Those who are not mentally stable, they can't cast their vote. So for your class, who is there? Any person who has not done his work, or any person who has commit any crime in the class according to the class rule, right? So that person is not eligible to cast their vote. That person cannot cast their vote, right? This was there. And next thing, what happened for that to remove the corruption. To remove the corruption means to remove the unfair means from the election. What the election commission did, election commission introduced election photo identity card, that is known as EPIC. That is known as EPIC, election photo identity card. That is known as EPIC. What is there in the election vote? That we can say voters card. That we can say voter card. What is there on that? Name of the candidate, father name, right, mother name, and address. Everything is written as well as on a photo. Photo is also there on the EPIC, election photo identity card. If you are going to cast your vote, then you need to carry that photo identity card, that we are saying the voters card. Suppose if you are not having the voters card, you lost your voter card, then what is there? Then you can use your any other ID. Then you can use your any other ID for casting the vote, right? And updation of list. And the last topic, last content of this, updation of list. Updation of list means whatever the voters list is there. In 2019 elections were there. In 2019 Lok Sabha elections were there. Now what was there in 2019 list was updated. Voters list was updated. Why there is need of updation of the voters list? Now the next election will be in 2024. Now the next election will be in 2024. Then what will be there? Maybe you will be eligible to cast your vote. So why there is need of updation of the list? Reason is there that those who completed their age for 18 years, then what is there? Their name will be in the voters list, and those who died, their name will be cut from the voters list. So this was the topic, voters list. I am telling you again, I am saying you again, please do revision thoroughly. And this was there for today. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.